No walk-in allowed. This event is at registration. Welcome. Egg registration. For 2:30?
Here for the egg hunt?
Yeah.
What is your last name?
Oh, Morales, Tricia Morales.
Morales. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So Muhammad here, he's going to take you down, and there will be other staff to tell you what to do.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thank you. Now wait, go. Yeah, you too.
So you're going to start right here. It's a loop. It's very clearly marked where to go. As long as you don't crawl under any ropes, you shouldn't get lost. You can get 10 eggs on the trail, okay?
Okay.
And then you'll trade them in here to get 4 wooden eggs to decorate and take home with you, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty. You're all set.
Yeah,
Have
thank
fun.
you. Look, wait, we're gonna start
You
here.
get 10 eggs, Wayne.
Start
Gotta look around.
egg hunt.
You gotta walk, see what you see. Wait, look around. Yeah, it's just a lot, look. You gotta get 10 on you. Don't get them out at the same spot, 'cause you gotta walk around slow.
Yeah, uy.
How many you get? Get 5 here and keep walking.
Look at Wayne. No, Wayne, you have a lot in there.
That one, don't get them all, and then you're gonna only have 10.
You only have 10.
You gotta go all the way back.
Okay. You just walk. We have a lot in Wayne. Look. Look, oh, they have a nice one.
Stop! Or you're gonna have 10 and you can't get nothing.
After that, you can get anything, just 10.
So don't you pick them no more. How many you got?
Oh, come on, they have a lot in there.
Uh-oh, you see them all over.
Yeah.
Okay, grab one. Grab a nice one. Oh my God, tell him to grab one, he can grab one. What color you like? How many you got now? 8. All right, come on, keep going. Now grab more down here.
Come on. Look at the purple one.
No, you gotta go this
No.
way.
Go Wayne.
How many he got?
I
How
don't
many you
know.
got, Wayne? 8. You did 2 more. Take your time, look around.
We're on the mundak.
Yes, good little spit, it's beautiful. Look at
Look, oh.
You need
Nice.
2 more, you better grab 2 more.
Nice. Oh, it's nice to walk here, oh.
This is for you to see the environment.
Yeah, right? Look. Wayne!
No, Wayne can't go on this.
Look, they have nice here.
No turtle?
No, no turtle.
Come on, let's go.
I collect one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I have 9 now.
Okay.
One more.
Wow, look, it's a big circle.
Look.
Right there. No fish? I'm just gonna let you go fishing in the lake. Oh, there's a duck over there.
Duck?
There's a duck over there. Now listen, she said he need 10. Now he got 10.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No, he's just
Oh, right here,
choosing.
this is a nice fishing spot. You can sit right
Wayne,
here.
go. Just go here, Wayne. Oh.
I don't
Wayne,
think people go fishing. Right?
how many you got?
10.
He already got 10 of them.
Nice one. Purple.
That's the last one, the only one.
He had it.
Look. I finished.
Now you go back and you get the real wooden one so you can paint.
Okay, we finished the top. Go around now. We're going back.
No, don't put your hand inside here.
Egg is there.
We're
You know
gonna.
what's inside here. Wayne. Yeah.
You have egg everywhere.
Get a nice snake. Get your hand.
We're gonna trade in his 10 egg for 4 egg to paint.
Or wooden ones.
Wooden one.
Yeah.
Wayne just paint just like a smiley, go like this.
Really? $25 for this. That's just a bit. All right.
Then you're gonna start painting, Wayne.
Right here. You gotta wait.
Oh, you like that one?
Yeah.
You can draw them. Can I take this one?
Got your eggs? Alright,
Look,
you want
Wayne.
to dump them in this basket right here. Great. You can take these. You can find a spot at the table and
Just a
decorate
wooden
them,
egg.
okay?
Yeah. Okay.
You got the paintbrush right here, everything.
You're gonna start
These are paintbrush, all these. Man. That's
start his
white it. You gotta
journey.
What
You're gonna paint.
What color you gonna paint it? The way you want. Make a face, that's it. That's wood. Now put it back.
Look, oh, they have some look. Look. Oh, here. You can style. Look.
Look,
Come on, come on, come
there's
on.
more activities.
I know. You can style it.
Good boy. That looks good.
Is this a glue?
Yeah. How you gonna glue the stuff on? You gotta turn it on me, the glue.
There's more activities. Even hand sanitizer.
Why you need? That's a stick on. You don't need glue for those. Oh my god.
The stickers.
It's okay, it's okay.
Oh my
I
god.
have 4. I got 2 more. Oh no, ah, my eggie! Oh no, my egg. Yeah, ruined. Yeah.
Look at my egg.
We're gonna use a golden one of those golden things for one of these.
I need
Yeah.
blue.
Right? They have some purple here.
Blue.
Look. Look at that.
And what do we do with the mouth?
Yeah, some mouth. Take this one by one.
Yeah, you gotta draw the mouth. You got purple here.
Where's the purple one?
That's finished.
You gotta paint it with the paintbrush.
That's finished. First egg. And
Make it red lipstick. No, it's a girl. You make it look like a red lipstick.
oh my, I think these here. Oh, egg! There's other ones here. Goodbye. No,
Yeah.
let's see this.
Is there a mouth here, Wayne?
I don't know.
Right there, like that. That's it. That's all you need. Looks nice
I
right
need
there,
a
mommy.
mouth too.
Right there, mommy. Oh my god. That's it. Let it
There's a
dry.
mouth.
Now let it dry. Put anything, blow on it. Because you put too much.
No, it's okay. Look.
Those are eyes, Wayne.
Wait, look. It's nice, right?
Yeah. Now put it in, blow on it so it can dry, no?
First one. Finished.
I'm gonna put some lot of design on mine.
Why are you going to put a lot of, you gotta want it to look like something.
Of course.
If you put a lot of design, they're going to look like nothing.
There's one more egg. I need to find a mouth. I don't think there's mouth. Oh yeah, there's no mouth.
No mouth, just improvise one.
You make him up like your mother did.
Oh, this one all together.
I need paint. pink.
Okay, now we're going to see some animals. Birds of look. Look, the owl. Oh, look at this bird.
No candy.
They don't get candy.
No. Have to buy them.
You don't buy none. They got mice.
Oh, the
See?
candy.
For free.
Have to buy candy. Put in my basket.
Oh, look the owl wing.
Ma. Look, wait. There's another cat. Ma, there's another cat.
So what is there?
What do you see? I don't see nothing.
What is that?
Another bird.
Oh, yeah, like a hawk.
What?
Right? Like a little hawk. See this here? They got a lot of mice to eat here, boy. They eat good here.
I see, I can see it up here.
Another
They got
bird.
mice all over.
Ah!
Oh, they're feeding mice?
Yeah, see all the mice?
Oh no. Poor mice.
Poor mice. That's what they gotta eat.
That's what they eat.
I know, right?
I don't see no mice.
Right there in front of the white stuff.
Ah!
Look at the owl.
Yeah, they got pyro freaking mice on top. Look.
A big what?
No, big, a lot of pyro. Look. The mice.
Where's the...
The birds right there. See
Oh my
it?
god.
The hawk.
Hi. No candy.
Mm-hmm.
We need to buy them.
Big hawk.
Why can't we buy the candy and hide them in our house? Ma, why can't we buy candy and hide them
Okay.
in the house?
Go now.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.